Effortlessly sign your important PDF documents and make them legally binding in just a few quick steps with Docusign. First, you'll need to get your PDF document into Docusign. Simply click the Upload button and select your PDF file from your computer for this demonstration. Let's upload a sample agreement. Once your document is uploaded, Docusign will present it for your review. You can scroll through and read through all the pages to ensure everything is correct. Now let's get to the signing part. Look for the Sign button or the Signature field option. Clicking this will prompt you to create or select your signature. Docusign offers a few ways to create your signature. You can type your name and let Docusign create a signature font. Draw your signature using your mouse or touchscreen, or even upload a pre-existing image of your signature if you have one. For this tutorial, we'll use the drawing option. Simply click and drag your mouse to create your unique signature directly on the screen. Make sure to sign clearly within the provided space. After you've drawn your signature, click Apply. You'll see your signature appear on the document now. You can drag and drop this signature to the correct placement if it's not already there. Or if there are other fields like dates or initials, you can easily place those too. Once you've placed your signature and any other required information, verify everything looks in order. You're almost done. Finally, click the Finish or Send button. Docusign will then process your signed document. Your legally binding signature is now officially applied to your PDF. Congratulations! You've successfully signed your PDF document with Docusign, ensuring a professional and legally sound process every time.